Hey everyone, this is Sabrina. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be making another 10 on 10 project. This one is going to be August. And this time I decided to do all neutral, so black and gray, and just stick with those and try something different. And I also covered the pages with some white paper just because I had sliced with my X-Acto knife through both of the pages. So I figured the white paper will help me get a blank slate. And also it's my favorite paper to use of all time. It's the HP paper. So I did one big photo of me before my workout, and then I did a bunch of smaller photos, and I also typed out all the journaling ahead of time, mainly using In a Creative Bubble and Feature Craft. I just trimmed a journaling card because I noticed when I put it together with my other pictures that it was not the same size, so I just trimmed it down. So I am doing a row of 3 at the bottom on the left, and then a row of 3 for the top and the bottom on the right hand side page. And I picked the cards highlights from today and simple little things. And I also printed out a clear sticker border that says super ordinary and here and now. And I also did a technique that I did back in February where I took a bunch of digital stamps and I stamped them on circle shapes in Photoshop Elements, and then I printed those out while I used my Cameo. So like the big black circle up in the top left says today, and then this is awesome, and I just repeated that. And I use digital stamps that are 2 different fonts or 2 different sayings, so that way there's a little bit of difference in them. And then I did another circle that says for the record and real life documented. So I love how those circles came out. They're a little time intensive, but I really like using my digital stamps to make custom embellishments. I have one flip up for this project, and that includes my daughter's drawing and just a close-up of it. And I have the journaling already, and I need to just add the journaling and add in the flap, and then I can put it all together and it'll be ready to go on the page. This is also the month that I got to see all the December daily goodies. So I have a picture up in the top left on the right hand side of Katie showing us all the products, and then me enjoying some chips and salsa. So that was a really special, fun afternoon to see all the products. So I have a big cluster up by my workout photo for the circle right now, and then I'm going to make another one kind of down by the bottom right where my lights are, and also the soccer field. That's a good spot to make a cluster because it's lots of white space, so I can just fill that in. So I'll do a big circle there, and then I'm going to stamp some phrases in just a minute. Decided to add in a gray paper for another type of circle, just so that way I could add, another layer to this project. And I'll get out my stamps, like I said, in a little bit, and I can't resist adding some pattern play stamps as well. So I am going to stamp totally a homebody and also a little self-care as well. And then I'm just finishing up with the other circles that I have. So I wind up with a total of 4 clusters, which I really like. So they're all going to be on that great visual triangle. So stamping, like I said, totally a homebody, and then I will cut that out. You guys saw that on that paper, I had a million of those phrases stamped. I don't know why I was being so picky with which phrase I wanted to use and how it looked. But I will say this, when I stamp, I give myself 3 tries to get it quote unquote perfect, and then I need to move on. So that is my limit. That is my personal rule. 3 times, and then I got to move on. So that's a good rule to stick by. And then, like I said, I added in some pattern play circles and then a squiggly mark, for lack of a better word, and extended the big cluster over on the left. So it's a very, very large cluster. And just finishing up with that, and then I'm done with this page. And so I have another 10 on 10 August done, and I absolutely loved trying out the neutrals and just sticking with blacks and grays. So I hope you guys enjoyed this page. I'd love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.